Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect WordPress website to Cloudflare Easy Guide. Log into your WordPress dashboard and your Cloudflare account and have your hosting details ready. I will guide you step by step to add your site to Cloudflare, verify DNS records, change name servers at your registrar, and enable basic Cloudflare settings for caching and SSL protection to keep your site fast and secure. Sign in to Cloudflare and click Add Site to enter your full domain name. Let Cloudflare scan existing DNS records. Compare each scanned record with your host's records in a separate tab and make necessary edits or additions for a CNAME and MX entries. Keep the orange cloud enabled for records you want proxied. This ensures traffic flows through Cloudflare when you switch name servers at your registrar. Install the Cloudflare plugin in WordPress and connect it using your Cloudflare account email and API key found in your Cloudflare profile. Enable flexible or full SSL, depending on your server's certificate, and force HTTPS in WordPress settings or with a plugin. Turn on caching and auto, minify for CSS and JavaScript, but clear caches and test pages to fix any display problems after changes to ensure a smooth site experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.